Let's implement the null coalescing operator in C#. This is Daniel, and you are going to get coded. I'll start by creating a simple color variable, and I'll set this color to red. And then I will try to print to the console this specific color. But if this color has the value null, then I want to print something. So I can use the null coalescing operator, which provides me the ability to say a default value after the variable. So if this color is different than null, print it. Otherwise, print undefined. So let's try to press F5, and we can see that right now we have red. But if this color points to null, and we also need to change var because this doesn't work. All the times when you assign null, you need to define the type. Then if we press F5, you can see that right now we have undefined printed to the console. So this is how it works. Again, to summarize, if this is different than null, print the value. Otherwise, print undefined. If you like this video, please click thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing. Until next time, bye.